Now let us draw the triangle. That is, scale factors will be an improper fraction like 7 by 5, 1.5, like that. Okay. So exercise 11.1, third question we will discuss first. Construct a triangle with sides 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. So let us draw that triangle first, then we will construct 7 by 5 of that corresponding triangle. So sides are 5, 6 and 7. So let us draw first that triangle. Five centimeter, then 6 centimeter taken in the compass, five centimeter we have drawn, then 6 centimeter, make an arc from the side I am making, then 7 centimeter again you take the compass, from this side 7 centimeter you draw. So see this point, it is meeting, so join that one. This is the given triangle. This side is 5 centimeter, this one is 7 and this one 6 centimeter. Now let us name that one. So name is not given, so you can give any name, A, B, C. Okay. Now we are going to draw a triangle 7 by 5 size of this one. That means a triangle bigger than this one. No, 7 by 5 in improper fraction, that means a triangle bigger than this one. So the same way we have drawn, let us construct first an acute angle, that is 60 degree in the downwards position. 60 degree you make. Now among the 7 by 5, 7 is the bigger number, so you have to make 7 equal parts here. 7 equal parts. So let us mark that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 equal parts we made. So let us mark that one. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now you have to join 5 to this B. You have to join 5, fifth part to B, the lowest one to B. So join that one. Now extend this B like this, extend that one. Now same angle you have to construct here in A7. same angle. How will you construct the same angle? First draw an arc. The same arc you draw here. Then take this measurement. Take this measurement. From this side, draw arc. So it will be the same angle you are getting. Now join that to the extended line. Okay, so you got B dash here. Now construct the same angle here also, the same procedure. First draw an arc here without changing. Draw here. Now take this measurement. So take this measurement, then draw arc here. Now you can join that one. So here also you have to extend. Here also you have to extend this one. Now join this one. Now that point is C dash. So our required triangle is A, B dash, C. Look at here, A, B dash, C is bigger than A, B, C. That is 7 by 5 size of this one. So A, B dash, C is the required triangle. So here 7 division you have to make. Fifth one you have to join to B, then same angle you have to construct here, join to extended part, then same angle here, this B angle you have to construct here, join that to C dash. So A, B dash, C is the required triangle. Fourth question, construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm. Then another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of isosceles triangle. Now you have to construct an isosceles triangle. So first one is base is given 8 cm. So let us draw that base 8 cm. Now it is given its altitude is 4. This one AB, let us mark that one PQ 8 cm. Its altitude is 4 cm. Altitude, that is perpendicular, is 4 cm. So let us draw the perpendicular bisector of this PQ. That is more than half of this length you have to take. Then draw in both sides arc. Join that one. So this is the perpendicular you are getting, altitude. That altitude should be 4 cm. So let us take that 4 cm in the compass. Then mark that one. This is a 4 centimeter. So this point is R. Now join P, R and QR. PR and QR. So this is our triangle. So this one is 4 centimeter. That is the altitude. Altitude means perpendicular from one vertex to the base. So that is 4 centimeter. Now you are asked to draw a triangle that is 1.5 times bigger than this one. So 1.5 means it is 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 times bigger than this one. So the same procedure. First let us draw an acute angle, that is 60 degree here in downwards. Now join that one. Now 3 parts, 3 is the bigger number, so divide it into 3 equal parts. 1, then 2, 3 parts you have to make. That distance you can decide. So let us write that one. P1, P2, P3. Now join the 2 to Q because we are drawing a bigger triangle. So you have to join P2 to Q. Now same angle you have to construct on P3. So draw the arc. Draw the arc, the same arc without changing. Draw here. Now take this measurement. So take this measurement and draw the arc. Now join that to this one extended. Now that will be Q dash. Now the same angle you have to make here also. Same angle. So the same procedure. Mark arc here also. Same you have to take. Mark that one. Then extend this arc, join that to that point. So this point will be R dash. So your triangle is P R dash Q. P R dash Q dash is the required triangle, a bigger triangle than this one. Okay. Now sixth one, draw a triangle ABC with sides BC is equal to 7, B equal to 45 and angle A is equal to 105. Then you have to draw a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3. Here 4 by 3 of the size of the given triangle you have to draw. Now first BC you take. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. BC, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle B equal to 45, that also you have to make by using compass. So I think you remember that one. First 90 you have to draw. For that 60 and 120 you have to mark and draw the bisector of 60 and 120. It will be 90. Then draw the bisector of that 90. It will be 45. So this angle you are getting as 45 degree. Now another angle they have given us 105. But 105 here you cannot draw. So instead we know that 105 plus 45 plus C will be equal to 180. So C will be equal to 30. Angle C will be equal to 180 minus 150, that is equal to 30. So construct a 30 degree angle here. So 30 degree angle, for that first draw 60 and bisector of that 60. So this is our triangle. So this point of intersection is A. This one is 45 degree and this one is 30 degree. Now you are asked to draw a triangle 4/3 size of this one. So let us construct a 60 degree angle downwards on B. Now divide this line into 4 equal parts. So let us extend this one. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now join that third part to C. Then construct the same angle here. Same angle you have to construct here also. So join that to the extended part. So that is C dash. Now 30 degree angle here also you have to construct. So the same way, mark an arc. Here also mark. This distance you take. Here you cut. Then join that. So here A dash will come. So A dash, B and C dash will be our required triangle. A dash, B and C dash, a bigger triangle than this one. So here what you have to do, angle B and C you have to construct. That is, angle B is given the angle C by using the angle sum property of the triangle. That is 105 plus 45 plus C is equal to 180 and C equal to 30 degree. So whatever angle you are making, without using protractor you have to make, that is by using the pencil and the compass you have to make. Okay, so we already learned that one from 8th standard onwards, we are learning that. So I think you can do that one. Now 7th one is draw a right angle in which the sides other than hypotenuse are 5 and 3. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3. Now it's a right angle, that means one of the angle will be 90 degree. So two sides are given 4 and 3. Next angle you will get 4 and 3 are sides given there. The next side how will you get, that is hypotenuse, how will you get 3 square plus 4 square will be equal to hypotenuse square, that is 9 plus 16 is equal to hypotenuse square, that is 25 is equal to hypotenuse square, or hypotenuse will be equal to root of 25, that is equal to 5. So sides are 3, 4 and 5, that 5 is the hypotenuse. So first draw a side of 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter let us draw. A smaller one, 3 centimeter. Let us mark that one AB. You can give any name. I am marking that AB, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Now let us mark that A is equal to 90. For that you have to use compass and pencil. So draw first. Mark that 160. 120, then draw the bisector of 60 and 120. So let us draw that 90 degree here. Now in this one you have to take 4. Why 4 you have to take here? Because 5 is the hypotenuse, that means this side it will come. So 4 centimeter on the compass you take. Then mark that. Okay. Now it will be obviously 5 centimeter. See, this one will come as 5 centimeter. Now see, it is 5 centimeter. Now join that one. This one is 4 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter. Let us mark that point as C. Now you are asked to draw 5 by 3 sides of this triangle. So let us construct a 60 degree angle here using compass. Let us construct a 60-degree angle. Now five divisions you have to make. 5 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so extend that one. 5 divisions. Now join that 3 part, that is, let us write that A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Let us join that A3 to B. Now construct the same angle here. The same measurement you take. From here draw that one. So join that. Okay, now after joining that one, so here also you have to construct the same angle. So little bit like the size. Now take the distance. Now join that to the extended one. So let us extend this one little bit. Now join that to the extended one. Now look at this one. This is our B dash and this is our C dash. So our triangle is A, B dash, C. Our required triangle is A, B dash, C. That is bigger than ABC. So it is 5/3 size of the given triangle. Now one more type of construction is remaining. I think in next 2 videos we will finish this chapter and we'll go for revision.